Oh, that is so nice. That OBS4, I love that body style. It's like 70s, I think later 70s. That Dodge, man.
POD, one of my favorites.
Guys, so I'm here at the bargain outlet. See that? Bargain outlet. And I'm gonna see if I can get all the protein I can, because yeah, I do have a good amount of supply, but I want to get some more protein bars, and I'm running out of those. So let's see if we can take a whole stock. All right, guys, we got her done. I got so much. Holy crap! Check this on out. I got, well, some snacks, and then I also got 5 boxes of Cellucor. Check that out. All the stock they had, really. I would have bought more if they had it. But yeah, that is the main kind you can get. It's a really good brand. Cinnamon roll, and then one of them is chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm not really a fan of chocolate. Not many of you guys probably know that, but I mean, I'll eat it anyway if it has protein. Oh yeah. Honestly, I think the road saw has gotten worse on the truck. I'm not really sure. So now we're gonna head to Advance Auto and AutoZone. Actually, I'm gonna make one more stop, and then we're gonna head to those part places, and then I might be able to find the part that I need for the Ram. So then we should be good. But check this out. So nice, man. I definitely need to get a new exhaust at some point. The thing is hanging low. I love this truck, bro. Should I buy the land and off-road the cluck out of it? Greetings from Mother Russia. That's where I live now. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the back of the. As the next one that ends on my schedule. Couple bags, pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dough in the stash.
You guys remember that old OBS Chevy that you guys remember that old OBS Chevy that I was checking out back there? I guess someone bought it because I'm not seeing it there anymore. I guess it's gone. Hope I see it on the road one day with 38-inch mud terrain tires and a 9-inch lift.
Stop the comparing, y'all making me laugh. Need to rehab, I'm addicted to cash. Convertible walk, convertible top. My dope got a vertical, look at that nigga ass. Cause she gon' fuck up a bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, dropping the dope in the stash.
So make it lit. Sometimes goodbye is a second chance.
Oh shit! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that thing was so high. Don't slide into me, Mustang. I'm watching you. See ya. Alright, my hands are about to fall off. I broke down, I turned it on, at least the truck is warmed up. I would never turn the heat or AC on unless the truck is warmed up. Oh, this left the truck place, man. Looks like they restocked on the trucks. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Got lifted forwards. Oh, look at that power stroke. Damn, that was a nice truck, man. Look at that, man. Sick. D-Mac. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. Nice, dude. Well, I don't think I'll be able to park over there. It was covered in snow. I'm not trying to hit them. Look at that Cummins. Let's head on out of here and get into Walmart. Gotta make this stop and then we'll head to the parts. Look at that Cummins. I don't think I've seen so many nice trucks in one day in my life. And we are back. Had to pick some of this up at Walmart. Check it out. Tetra Min Tropical Flakes for my non-tropical fish. Gives them a nice color. Definitely a good idea. So it is so cold outside. You guys have no idea if you guys live in warm areas. I wish I kind of did at this point. So I'm going to go to the auto store and see if they have the part, and then I might overnight the Sinister kit. So I'm finally heading to Advance Auto right now, and if they have it and we get lucky, then I won't have to change the kit and really go back in progress. Now installing the delete itself is very easy, but everything else kind of sucks. So there we go, just doubled down on why you don't cheap out on stuff, why you always buy the best quality you can get. Robin here to Advance Auto, Aqueduct Car Wash. Never heard of that before. So hopefully they have something that I can use. I guess anything will work. The D-Max. Look at that, BDS suspension. Oh yeah, dude. Truck is so sick. Okay, so I'm gonna park right here. Alright guys, so I just went to Advance Auto and I got some that might work, so we're gonna head back and see if that'll work on the Ram. And if not, then I'm probably gonna have to order some other parts and just return this kit. And I actually know that guy. That's JT's Duramax. I didn't know that because I didn't know he lifted it and stuff. He said I could check it out if I wanted to, and I told him about the channel, he knew about it. So here it is, man. He said he bought a bone stock. It's got like 7 grand in it. Look at that. 7 grand into it just for the lift and stuff. That is such a sick Duramax. That thing is sick, man. BDS lift, Duramax diesel. Cool decals. BDS is probably the best lift brand you can go with. Look how big it is. Huge exhaust tip. Gotta love this truck, bro. Look at that. Gotta love Duramax, man. Thing is salty. About to freeze out here, man. Become a statue of ice. Oh yeah, so JT also said that I'd be able to like do a review / video on his Duramax. So expect that video coming sometime soon, so make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss it. Well, I think what I got will work, but I'm just gonna stop here at this AutoZone because it's a brand new store and I figured, hey, I gotta check it out. And maybe they'll have something even better. And I'll show you guys what I just got. There we go. Alright guys, and we are back in the truck as you can see, and check out this truck right here. We got a Duramax diesel. Body style before JT's truck that we just looked at. Still a cool Duramax, 8-foot long bed. So we're gonna head back now and let's see if those mods will fit on the truck. And if they fit on the truck, then we can actually take it out on the road. It'll be sick, man. This could actually fix it and I'd be so happy so I don't have to order another kit and spend more money. Alright, let's go. Oh. Blasphemy! It's definitely a nice new store. I like it a lot. I didn't see anything better than what I already have now, so I guess we'll just use what I bought. And yeah, so just gotta head home. It's gonna be a bit, but we're gonna be there. So here's the parts. Finally made it back home, and I got this brass hose connector, so maybe that'll work. And then I also got some O-rings to be able to put on the one side. So hopefully that'll work, and then we can get that hose on there. If this does not work, then I'm going to have to return the whole kit, overnight a kit or something, but I need to get this done because it's just sitting in the garage now. I want to be able to drive that thing. It's a Cummins, bro. Didn't focus because of the road salt.